In this Trebble Online Audio Editor review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about this software. So Trebble Online Audio Editor is a software that allows you to edit audio as if you were editing a Word document. It can transcribe your audio and get you to edit its features too. So when you first start, you're taken to this main page, your library, so you can record a short cast, essentially, which is just a mini podcast version of you just saying stuff into the microphone, any information you'd like to give audio-wise, you'll have it recorded right here for you to edit and upload. So we'll get straight into it, create a short cast here, and you're taken to this recording page. Now, you can either have record mode to record your audio, or you can have an import mode to import pre-recorded audio as well. So you have that opportunity for whichever suits you more so. And you have show notes as well. So if you need to hit any point during your recording and you need important information you have to say during your recording, you have the notes right here that you can type along and you can follow whilst you record yourself. So the recording. Hello, this is Opulent Tools recording for a Trebble Audio Editor review. Now, we have just done that, so hear it. Hello, this is Opulent Tools recording for a Trebble Audio Editor review. Right, so it's recorded right there. It sounds as good as our laptop mic sounds. So, once again, you can look at the notes if you want to. You can delete it. Now what we can do, go to settings. You can see your internal microphone as well. So if you have any other mic connected, this is how you find it. Here we're just showing that this is our internal microphone we're using. If you're concerned about any audio qualities, the audio will sound just as good as the mic you presented with. So once we recorded that, we're going to click next and transcribe and edit our audio. You can choose the languages. Naturally, we're going to choose English Britain. So we click that and we transcribe it all the way. The transcription job is complete. So you can see right here, it's perfectly captured everything I was saying. Hello, this is Tools recording for Trebble Audio Editor review. Right there, perfect for us. Now, there are a litany of options you have here with this audio, and you can really get into it. First, the Control F or the search. If you had a longer piece of audio transcription, you can search for any word there naturally. Or you can cancel any noises in the background as well. Now this will take a bit of time to completely render for you, so we won't do it now, but you can do it. You'll just have to wait several minutes for it to cancel all the noise completely. Then you have the configure magic sound enhancer. Again, if you want to amplify any audio, make anything sound clearer, you can enhance the sound right there with this feature. And you click it as well, voice enhancer, music enhancer, sound effects enhancer as well. So you can choose which of the three you want to focus on. And music and sound effects we'll get into in just a little bit because we can add those. And auto scroll, you can decide that or not decide to have it as well. Now, let's see what numbers we can go deeper in. Click on treble. We just clicked on treble, simple word. We see the start time, the end time, how long it is. We can adjust the trim if we want to cut out any part of that treble section, or even just if we want to cut out treble completely as well. We can just trim it right through here. We won't trim it because it will be counterproductive to what we're trying to do, but you can do that and save it naturally as well. Then, and also ignore it through that as well if you wanted to. So instead of even fully deleting it and not getting rid of it, you just ignore it and it will just play through and it'll sound like this. Hello, this is Opulent Tools recording for a Trebble Audio Editor review. So it's not quite perfect. You can see I wanted to start the treble, but it got rid of it anyways. So the best thing to do is probably delete it if you wanted to, but we can undo that right there. Now, what happens here? Again, you can play from here if you want to. You can insert audio, add background audio, and you have all these options here. So you can cut it, copy it, or just save this section as a singular clip on its own. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You insert audio. You have a litany of SFX sounds for you. You have a dial phone, So that's quite loud and quite intense. So we won't completely have that, but you know, you have all these features here again that you can use. A glass, you can add the glass in, and so be a sound of glass entering before you say treble as well, which would be quite useful. You go back here, or audio editor. You go back on sound. You can click music as well, and you have a litany of music features that are going to be available for you if you wanted to add any kind of background music underneath the layers of audio you've provided. Got Afro Trap right here. Doesn't really matter what we choose, just choose anything. So we've chosen that music cue. So again, that'll be there, that'll be added. We can delete it, we can play from here. Then once again, we can see the other music options we have. We have Almo Heights, 184, Paper Stars, Patched In, Peacoat, and Radium, and all these options we have here for beats that we can utilize for the music. Even calm ones as well, cheerful ones, curious, electronic, hip-hop as well. And we also have memes as well if you want to get through any memes, anything funny in the internet, you can utilize and put in your sound if you're trying to create something much more comedic. And you have uploads as well. Anything you can import yourself into it. Click next. You put your title up, put any notes you need, and you finish the process essentially. So once you upload it, it'll be there to send and share online and download yourself. So Trebble Online Audio Editor is very useful. It's really simple to use as well and quite intuitive in its editing of the text it transcribes for you. So I think it's really impressive to use actually. Again, it is a little bit bare as it can use some more features, but overall, it's a successful software. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I'll provide a discounted link. Thank you for watching.